Welcome back to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. All those codes you see here is we have an ABS light on, check engine light on. Let me start the car. This is 2023, and if you notice here now, we have a slippery, collision, and radar detection, or collision detection, or any one of it. Let's try to diagnose this car, diagnose all the system using Console 3 Plus. VIN could not be read out. Okay, Nissan Altima 2021, select, confirm. It looks like I cannot check this car by VIN. Diagnose one system. Let me go to ABS because I see ABS light on. And collision not available, system not available, warning, malfunction. If I'm not able to get it with this tools, I may have to check for other one. I'm trying to use Console 3 Plus, but it looks like this one need to be updated. It's not up to date because version 2.11.20. No, it's not gonna help. So I'm going to get another tools to see if I can get it generally. I'm gonna bring my Console 3 Plus, my hotel. Then we're gonna diagnose the car and see what is the option and what problem we have. Stay with us. Also, I want to check the airbag functions first to see what code is there, what happened, and then we come to the ICC or ADAS system. Okay, I tried to do it with a Console 3 Plus. Maybe you need to have a different protocol, I'm not sure. But let me try to use my Console 3 Plus just to be sure if we can get something quick. This is 2023. If it is up to date, I will have an idea. Okay, now we go to diagnose. I want to try to see if this 2023 could be diagnosed by VIN number. And let's see if it's a new protocol. Yeah, Chrysler American or Nissan Asian. Wow. Some Chrysler American car is Nissan, I am not sure. This is 2023 Nissan Altima. So let's go, or Maxima, I'm not sure. So let's see which one. I don't have nothing on the back. North America car. Okay, Altima L3 2023. Okay. Now I say yes. Diagnose. Auto scan. I want to scan the whole car. Engine, transmission, lane camera, sonar. Still zero. Yeah, now I start getting all the information, no faults. At least we are good with this one. Console 3 Plus, yes. 100%. Report. Okay. Engine, we have 1 code. ABS 6 code. Airbag 2 codes. And air pressure 3. Laser radar 2. And lane camera 2. IPDMER, sonar, left rear side radar 0, right side rear radar we have 4 codes, BCM, HVC. Wow. ABS. Now from here we're gonna get the real details. Engine, this is the immobilizer problem. Okay, on ABS. Okay, left rear sensor 1, right rear sensor 2. Right now we have ABS problem. Left rear sensor 1, right rear sensor 2. Okay, maybe disconnected or something happened to it. Battery abnormal. Moro pump passed. Rotary sensor passed. Airbag occupant sensor unit passed. Left rear side airbag. Okay. Air pressure, they say low. Radar, ADAS malfunction, supervision software error. Radar stain component or system operation obstructed or blocked. Maybe lane camera. Camera unit faulty. Program memory error. All this passed. IPDM. Actuator stuck open. Sonar. All this pass. Sonar center. Maybe those are for the right side rear radar. Right rear side radar. Communication. All this passed. Anything present, I don't like it. So AC control, intelligent cruise control, advanced assist system, intelligent cruise control, ICC, and advanced driver assist system. 10 code, but they say passed. ABS TC signal, yeah, this one passed. Circuit sonar, all this passed. Vehicle speed, yeah, this is ABS. Message error. Okay, let's go ahead. Can I print it? Creating PDF. Searching for printer. One minute. داير البرينتر عشان ده نوع البرنت لحاجة connected. نو أنا كويس. قدرت جيب لي بس حبة كده بس، يعني كوباية صغير دقلك خلاص كوباية جيبه لي بس زي عادي ده. print. I gotta get it. I'm supposed to get this printer running. We already have the idea what wrong. Let me just erase it. I'm gonna do quick erase to see if they're gonna go away or not. Whatever left, ABS still we have one code. Engine we have one code. Air pressure reading, we're gonna wait. Okay, I did a complete cleaning. Let me see the report, what is there. Okay, we have like 3 intelligent cruise control, ICC, or ADAS, advanced driving system. We have 3 codes. Engine, immobilizer. We have a key here. This is passed. Immobilizer is passed, don't worry about it. It's passed. And then ABS, current, left rear sensor. Okay. Left rear sensor. Also, ADAS malfunction, supervision software error. And the ABS. Okay, let me see what I have now. ABS. Engine is a security, that one is not a problem. Read code. Left rear. Left rear wheel speed sensor. Main signal. Right rear. Okay. Rear, right rear, left rear, front. Okay. No. Let me see here what I have. What gonna have here if I'm gonna drive it? Exit this one. This is very clear. I'm gonna back it up a little bit to confirm this code. Okay. You see here is 0. I'm going, you see here, one of them is not even show anything. You see it? Right rear, it doesn't work. One more. Okay, we know that we have ABS. This will confirm ABS system have a problem. We're gonna go back, radar. Okay, let me see the radar. Engine immobilizer doesn't worry, so we have now laser radar. Read code. ADAS malfunction, supervision software error. Okay, this is, I'm not gonna do this because I don't have target. So that one, you know, we have a code here. Let me give the code again. Read codes. This is the code here. Okay, now we're gonna go again to drive assist. Read code. ABS, yeah, vehicle speed, good. Sensor CAN communication, missing message. We have those codes. ACD mode. I'm trying to get some information, but it looks like I'm not gonna be able to do it. Let me just turn this one back. So this is the main problems. The two on the top could be fixed. ICC sensors, CAN commander. So razor radar. Code. We don't have no problem again. So we have engine, ABS. ABS could be fixed, eliminate some problems, and then we take it from there. So we know that we have a problem with the ADAS and ICC, Intelligent Cruise Control. ICC, Intelligent Cruise Control. ADAS is Advanced Driver Assist System 2. We have 4 faults. First we have to start fixing the ABS wiring or ABS sensor, and then we go from there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like.